Hello everyone and welcome to today's video on how to build job winning resumes for free. So the number one website you can use to build resumes is FlowCV.com. So FlowCV.com allows you to build one resume and have unlimited downloads on its free version. So I have an account, I'm just going to log in. Okay, so when you log in, you get the opportunity to create a resume, personal website, cover letter, and then email signature. So I have a resume, so let me just scroll down to show you some. You can also build an online business card. You can build cover letters, then email signature templates. You can use them anytime. So this is my resume, right? So you get the opportunity to have your header section, your profile, your employment and internship area, education, skills, awards, hobbies, courses that you took, and then probably references. So you can also customize this. You can customize using a template. Let me just say I like this template. So it will ask you to use this template. And then you are good to go. So you can download it here. So this is our resume and it's ready. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.